above the goalkeeper, and Zimbabwe have the lead, and that came out of nowhere, and it's got to go down as a goalkeeping error.
Now, once Zimbabwe starts scoring, they always want to make a follow-up and just get another goal.
Comes on as replacement. This is the third time he has been used as a substitute. Good chance here, equaliser. Well, they've been threatening the Zambians, and they've made the breakthrough now. And it looks as if Mundia has made the most perfect of starts with his very first touch after coming on. What a fairy tale story for Lubinda Mundia from Red Arrows. 26-year-old has the goal.
They knew that they would get a goal.
Mushuri, a lot of work down this left-hand side. Gets the crosses in. Mutizwa, the follow-up. He has a chance for Zimbabwe. They are back in the lead. Takwara with a goal after Mutizwa hit the upright. Now to the meeting. Still Zimbabwe keep knocking on the door, looking for one more. It's over now. That is Mushuri banging it home, and it's 3-1. Ocean Mushuri unmarked, picked up the loose ball. Zimbabwe extending Sports Palace. It is the COSAFA president who will hand the trophy over to the winning captain, along with our sponsors from Castle Raga. And it is Ovidi Karuru and Ocean Mashuri who will collect the trophy. And there we have it, Zimbabwe, COSAFA Castle Cup champions 2017. They have won for a record 5th time here, and a comprehensive victory over Zambia in an exciting final at the Royal Bafokeng Sports Palace. Wonderful scenes here, and there'll be plenty of celebration in Zimbabwe as well, as